Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine. So welcome to another unboxing video, and in this video I am going to unbox a light stand which I ordered from Daraz. And since my previous experience was very good with the Daraz, and I am very satisfied with the product which I received, which is tripod stand. The video is in the description and you can check out, and you can buy from the store. So let's just go for the unboxing of our light stand. So I just wrap the tape and see what we got in this box. Okay, so here the stand. Okay, so from the specifications which I read on the store, that there is a two steps of this stand. The first also there is 7 feet long, and the first step is if I move these 3 sticks, it will give me enough space. Okay, so I just have to loose first this. Yeah, so if I move it down, it will spread and it will be compressed both sides. Okay, so you can adjust what you want the height of this stand. So if I go with the and just fix at this height. The second step is that it has also a stand which will be loose and tight on the height which you want. So if I go further, it will extend and on last point. So I just fix this on a last point, and this is its height. You can clearly, maybe you can clearly see on this video. So yeah, that's the good product, and the quality is really good. I don't think so it's too heavy or it's too low material. It's really good by far, which I observing from the review. So hopefully I use this in my videos which I am going to create in future. There's a more content in my YouTube channel. If you like this video, if you like, you can watch them videos also. If you like this video, give the thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, अगली वीडियो में मिलेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।